Welcome back. In this video, electrical has to be redone. Typically refers to the need for renovating or rewiring the electrical system in a building or structure. This can occur when the existing electrical infrastructure is outdated, faulty, or insufficient to meet the current electrical demands. The process of redoing electrical work involves several steps. Firstly, a thorough inspection is conducted to identify any safety hazards, code violations, or outdated components. Next, the old wiring, outlets, switches, and fixtures are removed, and new ones are installed according to the latest electrical codes and standards. Redoing the electrical system may also involve upgrading the electrical panel to accommodate increased power needs, installing ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs, and arc fault circuit interrupters, AFCIs, for enhanced safety and ensuring proper grounding and bonding. By redoing the electrical system, the aim is to improve safety, increase energy efficiency, and ensure that the electrical infrastructure can adequately support the electrical demands of the building. This process is typically carried out by licensed electricians or electrical contractors who have the expertise and knowledge to perform the necessary work while adhering to electrical regulations and guidelines. Watch as the project manager gives an overview on electrical. And if you want to see more content like this, subscribe and hit the like button. Enjoy the video.
1413 Gil.
Yeah, we were talking about the electric. Yeah, I want to know how you were going to upgrade your electric. Were you going to just keep it at 100 amp, or were you going to take it up to 200 amps, where you can put an electric hot water heater, electric stove in here, and possibly a furnace, or you going to just keep the floor heat? I see you got to hook up for a floor furnace in the living area, in the living room. But I guess you may can run one, put some heat in the kitchen too, but that'll be your only source of heat. So that's what I'm saying, if you want to see if we need to install furnaces. If you're going to probably install a furnace and electric hot water heaters and stove, you may have to upgrade the electricity to a 200 amp box instead of 100 amps.
Okay. All right. Okay. 1413 Gil, signing off.